So the Nawab, he was sitting under a tree and he was narrating a story about his bravery about the tiger hunt to a group of children. With a sword in my hand, I chased the man-eater like a bullet. Sword is a weapon with a long metal blade. We can say it is like a talwar. So he said, with sword in my hand, with a sword in one of his hand, he was chasing that man-eater. Man-eater here refers to the tiger like a bullet. That means he was again displaying his proudness, and he was saying, I was chasing that tiger like a bullet. I was running so fast and I was chasing the tiger. Sometimes I was ahead of him, sometimes he was ahead of me. He's saying sometimes the tiger was in front of me and sometimes the Nawab was in front of the tiger. He's showing his proudness and he's saying that I was chasing that tiger and I was running like a bullet, and sometimes the tiger was in front of me and sometimes I was in front of the tiger. Then what happened, Nawab Sahib? A child asked excitedly. Sahib is a Urdu word for sir. Now all the children, all the group of children, all the children, they were seems to be completely involved in this story. They were so excited that one child asked, "Ki then what happened? How dare the tiger defeat me? I ran so fast that after an hour, when I turned my head, the beast was nowhere to be seen." He's again showing his proudness. He said, how dare the tiger defeat me? I ran so fast, I ran like a bullet, that after running for about an hour, when I looked back, there was no tiger there. He couldn't see the tiger after running for an hour. He was just simply trying to say that he was running so fast that when he looked back, the tiger, it was not seen. As the children broke out laughing, Nawab Rangile's friend Sher Singh appeared. So the children, after listening the story, they were laughing, and at that particular time, Nawab Rangile's friend, the name of the friend is Sher Singh. Sher Singh appeared there. Seeing his long face, Nawab Rangile asked, "What's wrong, Shera?" Seeing his long face means sad face. He was displaying a sad facial expression. So Nawab asked, "What's wrong?" "Last night my house was burgled." Burgled means robbed. Bhutnath, the Bandit means robber, has robbed my house clean and vanished. Now Sher Singh here is telling his friend that last night Bhutnath, he has came to his house and he has robbed his house. "Why did you not wake me up?" Now Nawab is asking Sher Singh ki, why did you not wake me up? You should have waked me up at that particular time. "How could I? It was only when I woke up in the morning that I realized the loss." Sher Singh cried. He said, "I was not aware about it. I woke up in the morning and then I realized that the Bhutnath, the robber, he has robbed my house. He has taken everything away and he has cleaned my house." Sher Singh cried. "In fact, the Bandit has plundered means robbed 3 more houses in the village." Sher Singh further informed him that the robber Bhutnath, he has robbed 3 more houses in the village. The Bhutnath has robbed Sher Singh's house and he has robbed 3 more houses in the village. What else can you expect from a village where a flock of cowards live? Flock means large group of people, and cowards means person who are not having much courage, who are having less courage. So Nawab, he is again displaying his proudness and he's saying, what else do you expect from such villagers? They can't do anything. "True, but we do have a brave heart amongst us." Sher Singh said, "Yes, but we have one brave person with all of us. In a group of cowards, we have one brave person." "Indeed, that's me. again again Nawab, he is displaying his proudness and he's saying, I know I am only brave and rest all the people in the village, they are cowards. Only I am brave. And that's why Sher Singh continued, Pukar Singh, the Mukhya is the Hindi word for village headman. It is the head of the village who take all decision. We call it Mukhya. Has chosen you to go into the forest and catch Bhutnath. So Sher Singh informed him that the Mukhya has selected him to go to the forest and catch Bhutnath the robber. So what work is assigned to the Nawab? That is to go to the forest and catch the thief, the robber Bhutnath. Nawab Rangile was shocked. Why was he shocked? Because he is not at all brave, he is just pretending to be brave. For at the mention of Bandit's name, not only village folks but even the leaves trembled with fear. Now he is shocked because the Bandit, he was a very dangerous man. Not only village people but the leaves, they were also shivering in fear. Everyone was so much scared of that thief, the robber, that not only the village people but the leaves, they were also shivering in fear. Somehow he managed to put up a bold front. To put up a bold front is an idiom that means try to appear to be brave. We all know that he was not brave. After listening that the Mukhya has given him the job to go to the forest and catch Bhutnath, he was shocked. He was not having that much courage. But somehow he managed to put up a bold front. He managed to appear to be brave, and he said, who else could dare to enter that ghostly village? I'll march into it tonight and bring him dragging to the village square before dawn. Now he is again showing his proudness, and he said, who else than me? I am only brave. I'll go to the forest tonight and I'll bring him in front of the villagers before morning. That's the spirit. That is exactly what I expected from you. The Mukhya has announced a fabulous prize of 10,000 rupees to anyone who brings that crook to justice, dead or alive. Now Sher Singh said, this is only what I expect from you, and he further informed that Mukhya has kept the prize of 10,000 rupees. Whoever catches that thief, whoever will bring that thief, that robber Bhutnath in front of the Mukhya is going to give him a fabulous prize of 10,000 rupees. Okay. So what happened? Sher Singh came there. He informed that his house is robbed and 3 more houses are also robbed. Now Nawab, he said, what else you expect from the group of coward villagers? It is only me who is brave, and so I will go to the forest and I will catch Bhutnath. But in reality, he was shocked. He was not having that much courage. He is not brave. But somehow he said, okay, I will go to the forest tonight and I will catch that thief. And Sher Singh informed that Mukhya has kept a fabulous prize of 10,000 rupees whoever catches Bhutnath. Nawab Rangile closed his eyes and saw the cloud bursting with crisp green bank notes. Notes in the sky, notes in the air, notes everywhere. When he reached home, his heart sank. Heart sank is other idiom. It means that his courage failed and he became less confident because he is not brave. He is not having that much courage. So he is now shocked that how will he go to the forest? How will he fight against Bhutnath and how will he bring him in front of the villagers? He thought of the Bandit Bhutnath. Bandit means robber. Big bulging eyes, frightening mustache, thick black beard and a wrestler's body. Now this is all imagination. In reality, no one has seen Bhutnath. So he is just imagining, Nawab is just imagining the appearance of Bhutnath in his mind. He is thinking he must be having a wrestler's body, he must be having frightening mustache, he must be having big red fiercey eyes. So this is all imagination. He is just thinking the appearance of Bhutnath in his mind. The truth was, alas, that no one had ever seen Bhutnath in a person. So what we have read in this page, that Nawab, he was not brave, but somehow he has accepted the challenge of going to the forest and catching that Bhutnath. Because Sher Singh, his friend, he was in need. He told him that his house and 3 other houses are robbed by the Bandit Bhutnath. So he said, okay, I will go to the forest tonight and I will bring Bhutnath in front of you all before morning. Then Sher Singh further informed that Mukhya has kept a fabulous prize of 10,000 rupees, whosoever brings Bhutnath in front of him. In reality, Nawab, he was scared. He was imagining that how Bhutnath would have appeared. He was just thinking that he must be having big red eyes, he must be having wrestler's body. He is scared, but somehow he has accepted the challenge and he thought that he is going to go to the, how he would go to the forest to catch that thief. Okay, that's it for today, and tomorrow we will read the next page.